white trash.
White trash. We had stuff in our yard, and so I mean,
Gotcha.
she barricaded our front walkway. She spray painted our door.
Okay. Let me take a look at that. Let's all go over here north of the house in case she decides she wants to come out and start.
You guys never had an encounter with her before?
No, I've never even seen her before.
Through your house?
Yeah.
Yeah, we got something to talk to you about.
What do I need to talk about?
No. Yeah.
We'll talk to you in just a
Joe,
moment, sir.
can you help me?
Yeah, we'll get you out there. All right.
You having trouble walking, man?
Yeah, she's a little.
Yeah, I drank.
Okay.
Yeah.
We're the police and you are being recorded on our cameras, okay? Just so you know.
Oh, I love it. I love it. I've been drinking.
Yep.
I haven't in a year.
Okay.
Yep,
Yes. Yeah, it's all being recorded right
Thank you. I love you. Love you.
now. Thank you. Appreciate that.
Yeah, this guy across the street. Hold on.
Let's just get your information first, okay? What's your first name, ma'am?
Alicia.
Alicia. How do you spell that?
I spell it very differently. Alicia.
Okay, what's your last name? Someone spray painted the neighbor's property.
I did
We're
it.
investigating.
I did.
Okay, well
I did it.
Okay, well let me read you some stuff first.
Okay, let me know.
Hold on. Let me read you something, okay?
He is the most.
I think you're getting a little ahead of yourself, okay?
No.
Alright, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him present before and during any questioning, if you could.
I had like 3 drinks.
3 drinks of
But
blood.
I'm in a recovery,
Okay.
and I was trying to test everything.
You were trying to test what? The alcohol?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, what kind of alcohol was it? So let me ask you, what happened tonight? And start from the beginning. So you were drinking and then what
I am
happened?
so tired of that fucking asshole.
Who are you talking about when you say that? Do you know
The guy across the street.
Okay.
He always has shit, and I'm a realtor.
Okay.
And yeah, I'm like slurring my words.
Well, you've been drinking a lot, right? So.
Yeah, I have.
Yeah.
But you know what?
So you don't like all the trash in front of the house, or what?
I don't.
So you okay?
I don't.
Okay. So there's a lot of red paint over there, and why don't you tell me what you told me just a little bit ago? How'd that get there?
Oh, he's had that there for months.
Oh no, I'm talking about the red paint.
Oh, I just did that.
You
Yeah.
did that?
Yeah,
You did
no,
that
I
because
love
you're upset
it.
about
I love it. I will go to jail.
Okay.
Kill me, whatever.
We
That
are
guy.
definitely not gonna kill you tonight.
Well,
Okay.
I
That's
wish.
not gonna happen.
Please kill me, because he ruins all our lives.
Okay. Well, you were just saying that we should kill you. Do you feel like you want to die? That's kind of what I was getting from the statements you were making?
No.
I'm asking you those questions just
No,
because
I
that's how you're feeling.
know,
Make sure it's the right
but
help
it
that you
would be great. But
need. First of all, you just told us. Secondly, there was a spray paint can in the house that we found you in, and third of all, you also have paint all over your hands. So that's what we have. And
I love it.
yeah,
I
so-
love it.
Oh, you're under arrest, man. So just sit tight and try not to yell and disturb the neighbors. Okay?
No, I
Thank you.
will. I will. Let me out. Let me out.
Okay, I'm gonna roll up the windows now.
Let me out.
So back to that estimate.
Probably about $7-8 grand. I bet.
Yeah, for each of these, I'm gonna. I mean, that's. We'll say $7 grand for both. That's 1,400.
But
14 grand for the cars.
here's how I'm gonna go. And I'll fucking
Maybe one can of paint for that. So like,
Maybe a couple hundred for this and the front.
I mean,
No, she ruined my
Now you gotta get a whole new paint job. Hey, it's gonna have a brand new paint job on it. At somebody else's expense, so there's that.
I mean,
Hey.
I love you all.
Alright,
Are you
just
gonna help
turn
me?
around and face towards the car for me.
Yeah. Are you gonna help me? I know I've been drinking.
Yeah, I gotcha.
Why am I under arrest?
For criminal damage to property.
Oh, 'cause I spray painted his garage? Let's go, baby.
Yeah, we'll get going in just a moment. And don't call me baby.
I think this is the most ridiculous thing I've ever seen. It's great. Look at me, you fucking asshole.
Ma'am, stop yelling.
Oh, really? Well, come here, darling. Come here, darling.
Where does the money go?
Oh, let me look at you.
This is supposed to go to like.
You are a fucking asshole. You little dweeb. Let me out. Let me out. Let me out. Let me out. You are stupid.
What did I do to deserve that? I don't deserve that. Come on.
Hey, cut it out.
Oh, you do. I have not done it. Anything. You are a little
That's not what you just told me.
stupid duck.
You're a little what?
Let me out.
We're little stupid ducks.
Yeah, you are. You are the little baby. Oh, Susan. I know. I
Stand
drank.
still for just a second, okay?
I said no. It's fine. Are you?
Just stay
Why?
right here, okay?
No. I want to know why am I?
Okay, if you get up, I'm gonna have to handcuff. Oh, I'm gonna have
You
to.
are.
Chronic alcohol use may induce cerebellar and cerebral alterations, resulting in alterations in motor planning, motor coordination, balance, speech, behavior, and cognitive functions.
You already handcuffed me.
Okay. Okay. Let's sit up, okay? There you go. Watch your head. Okay. We're gonna lift you up and set you on the bench, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Alright, take a seat.
Hey. Nobody wants to talk to you, okay? So just sit down and relax until we get you booked in, okay?
Alright.
Hi.
Yeah, you give me a few minutes.
What?
I'm just gonna take you right
Hey,
there anyway.
you.
We'll get the information I have for you.
Why?
I cannot sign you right now. That's up to your officer.
We don't want to kill you. We don't ever want to kill you.
I want it. Why do?
While there is rarely one reason behind a person's death by suicide, it has been found that nearly 1/3 of suicide deaths have been linked to alcohol consumption. Many people use alcohol as self-medication, whether they suffer from anxiety or other mental illness, some kind of mood or personality disorder, or are trying to cope with the trauma. Many people turn to alcohol in an attempt to forget their problems. The chronic use of this substance, however, can mean that someone builds a tolerance, dependence, and eventually an addiction. What once might have been considered an aid is now another, if not greater, strain on their life, harming relationships, jobs, and responsibilities, and even the body. Alcoholism has the power to devastate a person who previously had no history of health issues. Consequently, when someone who does have underlying health conditions experiments with alcohol as a crutch or coping mechanism, in time, they might become more likely to take their own life. Although alcohol may provide temporary relief from suicidal ideation, in reality it makes the issue exponentially worse. In most cases, mid to long-term alcohol abuse makes suicide ideation both more frequent and more powerful, subsequently increasing the likelihood of suicide attempts. Additionally, alcohol abuse generally makes other contributing factors to suicide worse. For example, alcohol exacerbates the symptoms of many mental health conditions such as bipolar disorder, borderline personality disorder, and depression, all of which can contribute to suicide.
Tell me. Baby cues. Just, okay.
Okay, you ready?
I'm ready.
Alright.
Yeah, if you recognize older people, we don't know what the fuck it is.
So,
Okay,
yeah, before you put your mouth on it, take a deep breath in, and
Okay.
then put your mouth on it.
okay.
Okay, blow, blow, blow.
Wait.
So. Okay, stop, 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 stop.
Alicia,
Yeah.
I also, in addition to this, to see if your alcohol content is above where I'm allowed to accept it, I also need to do a pregnancy test. So that's why you're doing this, okay?
Oh yeah, pregnancy. That would be a miracle.
I hear you, but every female has to do it. They're not
Oh, yeah.
prejudiced. They make every female do it.
Yeah, let me have sex with this young kid, and maybe
So,
We get
yeah, that's not gonna happen. So,
you don't like me.
pay attention to what I'm telling you.
You
Okay?
don't like me. He doesn't like
Alicia,
me.
stop talking. Stop.
Oh, fuck
Listen to what I'm
you.
telling
Oh, of course, darling.
Enough.
Thank you.
No interacting with her anymore.
Don't even fucking look in my direction. Don't even fucking look in my direction.
Alicia, sit up. Alicia, sit up and stop leaning on me.
Oh my god. Why are you being such a bitch? Why? I'm just trying.
I sent you the message about jiu-jitsu.
You did. You did.
Make it?
Definitely. So do I.
Yeah. And then on Thursday. Oh yeah, breakfast with the chief.
Where are we going?
We're going over to this. So right here. You go.
I know, because I thought, oh, you're gonna put me.
Putting you right there. Just go in here.
Oh my god.
Just go in here.
Okay, no,
Yes.
no,
Yep.
let me tell you.
There, you're right.
Yeah.
You sure?
Yep,
How you feeling? Anything hurt?
nope.
Nope. That's good. Think you can stand up? Or do you want to just hang out right here?
No, I can't hang up. Like, this hurts.
What are you talking about? The handcuffs?
You have my hands handcuffed.
Yeah, you're right. We do. We have your hands handcuffed. All right.
You leave her on the floor, she won't fall down.
That's a good idea. I really think it's a good idea if you just stay right there.
You just straighten out her legs so she wants to straighten them out, but probably safer for her to do.
Number 12.
I will do it breath cleanser.
Okay, because my number 12 says that I need to find out if your alcohol content is above a 0.35.
Given her behavior, it is thought that she possesses a BAC of 0.35 or higher. With the BAC this high, there are potentially life-threatening consequences, such as loss of consciousness, danger of life-threatening alcohol overdose, significant risk of death in most drinkers due to suppression of vital life functions. As you can see on this scale, not far away from life-threatening events such as these are the perceived beneficial effects of alcohol, relaxation. It's kind of scary that not far from the best feeling alcohol can give you is potentially the last feelings alcohol can give you.
Because you've fallen a couple of times, I feel like we absolutely need to get that from you. Can you do that for me?
Oh, I will
Because
do
it
that.
has nothing to, your charges have nothing to do with that. So there
No,
isn't
it's
anything
fine.
that they can, okay, I appreciate
I am never, ever good enough. I am never good enough.
We're almost ready.
I am not good enough.
You gotta stop telling yourself that. Tonight you're not good enough, but tomorrow morning you wake up to a new day.